Sarah, a young professional, decides to treat herself to lunch at a local hotel after a long week of work. The story follows her experience from entering the hotel, interacting with the staff, ordering her meal, and finally enjoying her lunch. Good afternoon. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to have lunch in your restaurant, please.
Certainly, ma'am. The restaurant is on the second floor. Would you like me to escort you?
No, thank you. I can find my way. Have a great day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Table for one?
Yes, please. By the window if possible.
Of course, right this way. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of iced tea, please.
Certainly. Have you decided on your meal?
I'm thinking of trying the grilled salmon with vegetables.
Excellent choice. Would you like any appetizers?
Yes, the Caesar salad, please.
Great. I'll be right back with your order.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Emily, the restaurant manager. How is everything so far?
Good afternoon. Everything's perfect, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
How is everything, ma'am? Is the meal to your liking?
Yes, it's delicious, thank you.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Can I get you anything else?
Just the bill when you have a moment, please.
Here's your bill, ma'am. I hope you had a pleasant experience.
Yes, everything was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you for dining with us. We hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.
Goodbye. I'll definitely be back.